Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749-90534 and 98561-72263. The streets and pedestrian footpaths of Shillong town that were once spacious are now filled with vendors and hawkers of all kinds of wares. Apart from areas like IEWDUH and all through GS Road to KHYNDAI, areas like BARIK Point and Laitumkhrah too have become congested due to the encroachment of vendors along footpaths and roadsides. During the visit of a section of the media to Laitumkhrah main road, it was witnessed that the number of vendors have increased as compared to previous years. The Rangbashnong of the area, Andrew Jirwa, while speaking to reporters, said that the congestion has been created by temporary stalls lined up along the main road of Laitumkhrah. However, he lamented the fact that ever since the Supreme Court ruling on the curbing of rights and duties of traditional heads, as a Rangbashnong, he too is unable to react much to the problems caused by the roadside vendors that have resulted in congestion all along the entire stretch of the main road. He added that the ease in lockdown restrictions had actually attracted more hawkers and vendors to the place, which actually does not fall under the designated vending zone as per the town vending committee norms. Jirwa therefore felt that the only way to deal with the menace is for the state government to empower, work together with and support the Rangbashnongs to address these kinds of issues.
Kistang mi dan kong gini ginong dia madan po kasnong Laitumkhrah tinggi don katu ganingun kim da bon than da to po te le da kaliang to kasnong ngiyai be la ne ngiyai ong ya ki ba ngim don kam ma ki shai ki mo nomar nga ka snong Laitumkhrah don ga yong ba te hak tu ki por te nomar ba ki dor ba snong ki kham klanya ka bor ki khamdan ka bor de ki pri ki sngapi nomar ki ba M&ch me ki tip hi ta then rei kuma pila kli phi mantan ban hadin kene ka pandemic ngilap koi ka jing pher kene ka rukom mi kini nong de matan kata ka dei e nomar ba da se ka ban ka jing duk mar ka jing kabdo auto por ka pandemic lawar rabun ka jing jenja jing sitom ki pri te hak to por hadin kani ka pandemic ni iki bon sina kini ki nong te madan ibami bande madan apo surok indai tang Shillong Laitumkhrah nei ki we ki snow ta trai fi yo i ya kita te handai nakaliang ka dor Bashnong pat ni ju pun so hi barabor saka sarkar district administration man ki DC ki bawan ni ju le bene kendu iki.
On the other hand, the vendors had expressed their worries and concerns over the effects of the lockdown on livelihood. Most of them felt that the need for some source of income to support their families has prompted them to sell their products along the roadside, as renting a shop would be too expensive for them to pay for. While speaking to some of the vendors, it was learnt that they would rather be scorned than move elsewhere. However, they did agree to relocate to another location should the government allot better space for them to run their business.
dia berada di sekitar Indonesia atau kata sekarang kemudian bawan pinong tiap tak kembali sebut ni lo kan tu kai kalau ai pas kendong sebelum hari itu teh lebih menolak ni lo.
Kita kini kata hangi ban train ang tu si hangi train ang tu di kita ini kalau hak pendek ini là kiwet nang tu ni pendek chane dah kiwet nang tu ni pendek dunia ni ai nak pendek dah